Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Pani Puri. To start with, I'm making the green sauce. I have 2 cups of cilantro, 1 cup of mint, and about 8 tablespoons of ginger. Now let's put all of these in the blender. The green sauce is actually the easiest part of this Pani Puri. Add in about 1 cup of water in this. So essentially what you want for this is just the juice of the cilantro, mint, and ginger. So we're just going to put this on a sifter and then just go ahead and pour this. So to this, just add in more water. I covered this up. I'm going to put it in the fridge until we eat. Now let's boil some potatoes and some chickpeas for our potato fillings. I added my boiled potatoes in a bowl. To this, add in half a cup of boiled chickpeas, a 1/3 cup of diced onions, a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. So today I'm using black salt, or you can use regular salt. Half a teaspoon of mango powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon ginger powder, and some fresh pepper to taste. Now mix all of these in together. While you're mixing this, just smash it up a little bit together. And then this is what you want to fill in your pani puri. Now let's assemble these all together. So crack a hole in the puri. Grab in your filling, your potato filling, some tamarind sauce, and your green sauce. So this is it. This is my version of the pani puri. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for my newest videos. Thank you so much.